Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX copper today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. So this was the price opening. Yesterday, copper market opened around 431. This is the zone where the market opened yesterday, and we expected some selling in copper market. Till 436, we expected some selling in copper market, having 432 as a intermediate major resistance for copper. Let us see what happened yesterday. After the price opened around 431 zone, it just there we can see there is a drop, little bit of drop, and then it consolidated. It gave a bounce back around 429. And if you watch this previous week and for the past few weeks, you can see this 428 is acting as a major support for copper market. You can very well see that the market is not staying below 428. Continuously it is staying above 428, and it gave a bounce back till 431. And in the later session also, you can see that the market didn't break this 431 high, which was an intermediate high which was created during the session. You should make a note of these tops. Whenever the tops are forming, you should make a note of the tops. And the price again came and tested this lower support level, but it couldn't break this 428, or it couldn't even completely test this 428, and it took the support here, and then straight away it went and tested this 432 again. You can see the price took some support with the moving average in right, tried to break this 432, but still it could not sustain there for a long time, and again it was a drop till 429, and it consolidated and closed around 431.75, which is near the major resistance zone for copper. So yesterday copper closed near 431.75, which is a very major resistance zone, and also these zones are very crucial zone for trading. So there was some selling, and when we look at the complete total market, yesterday's market, you can very well see that there was a selling here, and again there is a buying, and again selling, and again there is a buying. So totally a 50-50 chance yesterday. What happened is that the market stayed in the downtrend, but there is also some buying. We cannot neglect that there was some buying in the copper market. You can see the lows are increasing. First, initially the yesterday's the market created a low around 428.5, and then it was increased just above 429, and it closed above 429, and it closed near 431.75. When we compare the previous day's closing, that is 431.75, with the opening, you can see the opening was around just 431. This is the zone just 1 point above the market close. More or less it is also a neutral. We can consider that as a neutral closing, and today also we are expecting copper to open around the same zone. This is around 432. We are expecting copper to open around and 432. Just a 0.2 or 0.3 plus or minus can be there in copper market. And what we can do today is that today is going to be a very close call. Today also we are going to concentrate on selling in copper market, having this 436 as a major resistance level and 437 as a stop loss. Today we are expecting, today also we are going to continue our expectation with copper market, and we are going to stay in selling unless we get a clear confirmation that the copper can go for buying. But we cannot neglect this. We need to monitor this 428 very carefully, because the price is not going staying below this 428. We are also watching these levels very carefully, and we request all the traders and clients to watch this level very carefully, 428. But if the 428 was broken, you can very easily get 426 and 422. So this can be the target if the price is going to stay lower. But also you need to follow the support and resistance, how the things are moving around 432, and how many bottoms and tops are forming in this trading zone is going to be an important for us. Today what we are expecting is that today we are expecting selling in copper market, though the price though yesterday was we witnessed some buying, and yesterday was a neutral market. Today we are expecting some selling in copper. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Thanks for watching our video. Follow the support and resistance very carefully and trade in copper. Thank you. Bye.